Just a quick follow-up with my earlier video about the Stella hurricane back in September 11, and compared to the recent Hurricane Michael and the path. What took people by surprise is how a storm intensified from here, when it's a tropical storm, into almost Category 5 hurricane, to make landfall here in Mexico City, Mexico Beach, Florida. And it take 40 hours from here to here. And my forecast for this hurricane here, from here, on the 11th, I predicted going to be make landfall on the 13th, today, and Category 5. So this is 2 miles per hour wind from Category 5, and this Category 5. And here the path of travel here, and here the path of travel. But because this is the weather a little different here, but however, it has similar path and similar exit point. And so during my forecast, there was Hurricane Florence here, and actually when it made landfall and this system dissipated. And this follow-up is about the possibility of storm can form and with this intensity and move this fast.